Hello, and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices. Today, we are going to learn how to manage your recurring invoices. Whether you want to send, edit, or cancel your recurring invoices, we've got you covered. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Invoices. Look for the recurring invoice you want to manage, and by the way, you can identify recurring invoices because it has the word recurring underneath their invoice number. So click the three dot button next to it, and here you'll see options to preview it, edit it, view payments, duplicate it, resend it via email, share it as a link, print it, download it as a PDF, void it, and delete it. So these are the available actions you can do with your recurring invoice in Wix. Feel free to manage your recurring invoices with these options. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.